Let's talk about electric bikes. Folding adults city bicycle 48 volts 240 watts rear engine. Ladies. A bike is powered by 48 volts 20A lithium-ion battery. Unlike gasoline-powered bikes, it is eco-friendly and requires no maintenance. Good range and speed. The bike has 2,537 miles range and can reach a top speed of 12 miles per hour. It is ideal for getting around the city and short distance travel. Design and foldability. The electric bike is great for commuters and easy to carry and helps save space. The convincing ride comfort is not limited to the short distance, even for longer trips is the electric bike. High quality material. Folding bike. Electric bike adopted super lightweight and strong aluminum alloy, to ensure the greatest possible degree of stability. Charger, specific for lithium battery and overprotected.